Last night, Ukrainian drones targeted Russian logistical sites in Tuapse, Krasnodar Krai. After the attack, smoke was visible. Explosions were heard in the city as unidentified drones activated air defense systems in the region, according to Russian media outlet Astra and Krasnodar Telegram channels. Reports about the explosions in Tuapse, located on the Black Sea coast of the Krasnodar Krai between Novorossiysk and Sochi, began appearing online after 2 a.m. Later, local channels reported that air defense forces were still operating in the area due to a massive drone attack. According to local residents in online posts, explosions were heard in different parts of Tuapse and were described as very loud, particularly near the beach. At the same time, footage taken online by a camera on one of the beaches in Tuapse was published, showing smoke over the sea, allegedly in the port area. The governor of Krasnodar Krai has not provided any updates on the situation in the Tuapse area. However, local channels and Russian media outlets claim that at least 20 drones were reportedly destroyed due to air defense efforts. According to unofficial reports, the Russian large landing ship Pyotr Morgunov has been struck in recent attacks and may have sunk due to severe damage. If confirmed, this would mark yet another significant blow to the Russian Black Sea Fleet, further undermining its operational capabilities and morale. As a reminder, explosions in Tuapse are not a rare occurrence. For example, on July 22nd, explosions took place as a result of an operation by Ukraine's defense forces, which targeted a local oil refinery that caught fire. Additionally, prior drone attacks targeted a Russian military airfield in the Krasnodar Krai, located in the settlement of Kushyovskaya. It was also reported that explosions were heard in the Rostov region overnight on November 29th due to a drone attack, and a fire broke out at the Atlas oil depot near the city of Kamensk-Shakhtinsky. As a result of Ukrainian drone strikes on the Atlas oil depot near Kamensk-Shakhtinsky in Russia, 3 oil tanks are on fire as of this morning. The Ukrainian General Staff confirmed the strike on the Atlas oil depot in Rostov Oblast, Russia. According to them, the attack caused a fire with at least 2 areas of ignition. Additionally, Ukrainian forces destroyed a radar station for the Buk-M3 in occupied Zaporizhzhia. And here's the footage. The Buk-M3 is one of Russia's most advanced mobile air defense systems, featuring improved radar and missile capabilities. Its radar system boasts enhanced detection range and precision, allowing it to track and engage multiple targets simultaneously, including aircraft, drones, and cruise missiles. Operating on a phased array radar, the Buk-M3 can detect targets up to 70 kilometers away, even in challenging electronic warfare conditions. And regarding the events in Kursk, Russian forces are still struggling to push back Ukrainian forces, and the Ukrainian 8th Special Forces Regiment captured 8 Russian servicemen in the Kursk region. There is more. Operators from the Wings unit of Ukraine's GUR destroyed a Russian L-219 Zupark-1 counter-battery radar system. The Zupark counter-battery radar system is a sophisticated Russian system designed to detect and track the origin of enemy artillery, mortars, and rocket fire. It uses advanced radar technology to pinpoint the exact location of firing positions, allowing for rapid and precise counterstrikes. The system can also track the flight of projectiles, providing real-time battlefield intelligence and improving the accuracy of friendly fire. The Zupark-1M, a modernized version, features enhanced range, higher mobility, and improved reliability. It can detect mortar fire up to 20 kilometers, artillery fire up to 35 kilometers, and rocket systems up to 50 kilometers. As for cost, estimates vary, but a single Zupark-1M unit is believed to be priced at approximately $10 to $15 million, depending on configuration and included support systems. Ukrainian intelligence chief, the head of GUR, Kirilo Budanov, dismissed rumors of his dismissal as destabilization attempts. Reports this week suggested the president's office may replace him, but Budanov called it misinformation aimed at sowing discord. Approximately 6,000 soldiers have already returned to service after deserting or leaving their units. On November 28th, a law was passed allowing voluntary return for those who deserted or left their units for the first time. Russian propagandists. The imperial dream is something that unites our population, regardless of its origin or age. We all vary our nostalgic myths and want Russia to be the empire it has been for centuries. There is no doubt in anyone's mind that we can't, as much as we'd like to, be a nation-state. It is impossible.
The imperial dream is what unites our population regardless of their origin or age. Many don't even realize it, yet they still pursue it. If I'm wrong, Ivan Ilyinich will correct me. But I highly doubt that when he talks about the Reds and the Soviet Union, he is nostalgic for the times of the Civil War when Russian people killed each other. I think he is nostalgic for the peak of the war. The peak of greatness of our state, our common state, our ancestors. And I also think that when Margarita Semenovna talks about how history could have gone differently, she is unlikely advocating for Russia. They are hypothetical white Republicans, meaning they support the emperor and not our empire. In the end, we all feel very nostalgic, we miss it and we want it. For Russia to be the empire, it was for centuries. Everyone attributes different nuances to it. Different historical periods evoke special admiration, but no one doubts that despite our wishes, we cannot be a nation-state. It is impossible.
Kazakhstan is practically a Russian-speaking country, Putin told Tokayev, president of Kazakhstan. Tokayev started speaking Kazakh in reply.
Казахстан — это практически русскоговорящая страна.
Уважаемый Владимир Владимирович, уважаемые коллеги, ең алдымен мен құрметті Владимир Владимирович мырзаға сізге зор алғысымды айтқым келеді. Менің шақыруымды қабыл алып, бүгін Қазақстанға ресми сапармен келіп отырсыз.
Ну, сами, наверное, почувствовали.
Ukraine has received $100 million in budgetary aid from South Korea, the first installment to support Ukraine's social sector. This is part of a broader agreement to provide up to $2.1 billion in assistance. And for the end, the first photos of the restored Notre Dame Cathedral in Paris. It is due to open to visitors soon. The last two photos are from 2019, during and after the fire. To be honest, I look at these photos and think about Ukraine. It gives us hope.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.